exams have now been postponed. These are all the offline exams that have been postponed by the Ministry of Education, that has now said that there will be a postponement of all the offline examinations that were scheduled in May. The online examinations, viewers, can continue as they were. We're also going to go across to my colleague Madhurima on this. But as of now, seeing the COVID emergency in India, the exams have been postponed, and the Ministry of Education has said there will for now be no exams offline, which means there will be no exams for which one has to appear at a particular center. Let's go across to Madhurima, who's joining me on the phone line. Madhurima, what is the latest that the Education Ministry has said?
Well, like you rightly put, the Education Ministry has taken cognizance of the current situation of COVID-19 in the country, and as we know that we're facing the worst wave even seen all across the world, which is why this decision has been taken, where all the offline exams that were scheduled in the month of May have been now postponed. The government will now be reviewing and will revisit the entire situation later on and will take a decision henceforth. This decision comes in the wake of India recording over 3 to 4 lakh cases every day, and looking at the number of casualties, people are succumbing due to COVID-19, and hence, keeping in view the safety of the students and the aspirants. And as we know that it takes a mammoth amount of energy and staff and workers to put all these exams into place, which is why, looking at the situation right now that persists in our country and safety of the teachers, the organizers, and of course the aspirants, this particular decision of postponing all offline examinations has been taken by the government. Back to you.
Thank you, Madhurima, for that. We're going to come back for more details, but exams have been postponed.